In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Squarespace, a leading platform for building stylish and professional websites. Whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or just starting out, learning how to effectively modify text on your site is essential for creating engaging content. Let's get started. First, open your Squarespace site and navigate to the page where you want to edit text. Once you're on the desired page, click on the specific text area you wish to edit. This action will bring you into edit mode, where you have several formatting options at your fingertips. Next, click on the Edit button. This is your gateway to making precise changes to the text. You'll see various styling options pop up which allow you to customize your text according to your needs. One key feature to notice is the heading options. Choosing a heading format is vital for structuring your content and ensuring it remains organized. It also plays a significant role in SEO, helping search engines understand the hierarchy and importance of your text. Now, you might want to paste content you've copied from another source. To do this seamlessly and avoid unwanted styling, click on the Paste as Plain Text option. This feature strips away any existing formatting from the text, allowing you to work with a clean slate. After pasting your content, feel free to type directly into the text area to add or modify content as needed. Once you've pasted your text, click OK to confirm your changes. It's always a good habit to double-check that everything looks correct before moving on. If you want to make certain words or phrases stand out, you can use the Bold option. Highlight the text you'd like to emphasize and then click the Bold button. This makes your selected text appear more prominent, catching the reader's eye. Similarly, to add emphasis in a different manner, click on the Italic button. This subtle style change can be used for quotes, foreign language terms, or when you just want to underline a particular part of your message. Color is another powerful tool in your editing arsenal. Click on the color icon to explore different color options. If you have a specific brand color in mind, select Custom to manually input your desired shade, or use the color picker to find exactly what you need. A dash of color here and there can make your text pop, enhancing the visual appeal of your web page. And there you have it. We've walked through the essentials of text editing on Squarespace. By mastering these simple yet effective techniques, you can ensure your website's content is impactful and well-organized. Don't forget to save your changes and preview your updates to see how they look on the live site. Thanks for watching and happy editing!